Today makes it 7 days that I actually posted this video, and the revenue this video is making will actually wow you for just the period of 7 days. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this to encourage you on your journey so that you cannot give up on YouTube. If you're about giving up on YouTube, I hope this video is able to help you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you revenue that I've been able to make from just one video for the period of 7 days. If this is the kind of content you're actually looking at for, then stay right in this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's very Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, I hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing you, do want to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And I'll try my best as much as possible for this video to go up to date, that I'm uploading this, that I'm filming this video, so that it will not last past the 7 days. Guys, let's just dive right into this video. So here am I on my YouTube studio analysis, and this is the video I uploaded. Do these 5 things before you post on YouTube, which is this video, and this video is a 12-minute video, okay? 12 minutes 12 minutes 28-second video. And let's go to the analytics of this video, okay? So for the overview of this video has gotten 18,732 views since it was published, and this video was published 7 days ago. This video has gotten a subscribers of 436 subscribers in the last 7 days. You can see it there, okay? And yeah, let's go to the reach of this video so that everything will just be quick. For the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 211,000. Okay, and for how viewers found this video is through browse features, suggested videos, other YouTube features, channel page, and others. And external source for this video or external sites or apps is WhatsApp, whatsapp.com, Google, okay? YouTube search term for this video is what? Vibe with Sonia, and should I quit YouTube, best things, blah, blah, blah. And content suggesting this particular video, all of this content from beginning to the end are my content. I just lost my YouTube channel, get 100 subscribers, do this on YouTube channel, how to make money. That is why I said it is very good for you to do videos that are relating to your videos more, so that as people are watching it, they'll actually be suggesting other of your new uploads. And this is a random playlist. Anyways, let me go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten a watch hour of 958 watch hours, okay? Very soon this video will clock like 1K watch hour. Hey God. And then you can see people that are remixing this video. So this is the audience retention for everyone that clicks this video. They're actually watching this video for 3 minutes 04 seconds, and of which is something to be grateful for. Likes and dislike and every other stuff that you guys need to know. And now let's go to the audience of this video. So for the audience of this particular video, this video has gotten 5.7K returning viewers for everybody that has watched. And for the age watching this particular video, 13 to 17 years is not watching. 18, because I always put my video as it is not meant for kids, so that's why it's not being recommended to kids, okay? So 18 to 24 is watching, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, and then 65 plus are watching this video. The only age that are actually not watching this video is just because I said this video is not meant for kids, okay? Gender, male and female. And for this video, male is actually watching more of this video more than female, okay? Top geographical locations, which is top countries that are actually watching this particular video, is Nigeria, United States, Kenya, let's open again, Ghana, and then United Kingdom. Hey God of mercy. And then watch out from subscribers, 91.7 not subscribed. Please, if you've not subscribed as you're watching this video, please do what to hit on my subscribe button, because trust me, it will really help me a lot, and I will really do appreciate that. And then let's go to everything that brought everyone on this channel for the revenue of this video. For the revenue of this video has gotten $71.80. This video has gotten $71.80, and Saturday I'm filming this video, dollar is 1,600 and something. So we'll be using dollar 1,600 to just do this calculation. But let me show you how I make my money through YouTube paid ads and YouTube Premium. And for video performance, I have 71.80 dollars, and for every 1K view that anyone is watching, I get to make $4.39. And for the one that they've actually paid me this 71.80 is just for 16.3K view, of which if the remaining ones are being updated, you know, YouTube updates every 48 hours, it's actually going to be added. That means this revenue is going to be more. And then for how much advertisers pay. I've started at paying $9.52 for this particular video per 1K view. God of mercy. Earnings by skippable, display, bomber, and not skippable. So let's do the calculation of 1,600 times 80 times 71. Okay, let's just leave the cent out of it. So I'll just head straight into my calculator, and then I'm going to be doing like 1,600 times, let's just go this way, times $71, 113,600 naira. If you're in Nigerian currency, you know what 100,000 naira can actually do for you. This is more than so many persons' salary. Like, what I mean, so many persons' salary. People can barely even earn half of this particular revenue, half of this as salary just in a week. If Nigerian sector are going to pay you for just a day, I think it is definitely not going to be more than 1,500 in a day or 2,000, except if you're working in an oil sector whereby the money is like flowing like milk. And then I have to end this screen record so that we can talk, because at the end of this video, if I didn't talk to you guys, this is definitely going to be an error for me. So let me end my screen record. So guys, this is why I always tell you that giving up on a YouTube channel will actually not be a good thing. It is definitely going to be a very, very bad thing for you. In my life, in my widest of my life, I have never made this revenue for just 1 week, and this is just coming from just one video. And I have other videos in this channel that are actually doing well as well for this same week. So why did all of this happen within a space of time? What is the spike? What did I do special? Is because, one, I've been a lot more consistent on this YouTube channel. You guys know that it is definitely not easy to be consistent. See my eye bags. See my eye bags. Sometimes I research all through the night without even sleeping. Sometimes before I will be able to film one video, I go through a lot of mistakes, backs here and forth, but that is actually not limiting me. Sometimes if I want to film a video, probably I'll have light issues or I'll have noise coming from my background, because you guys know the country that we live, Nigeria. If you're living in Nigeria, you know how the space and everything is here. Okay, but in all of these storms, I've been able to still strive hard and tell myself that I want to be uploading every day, because I know that the tickets for me to actually get these coins down to my table is by uploading every day. And this is the first time in my life I've been able to upload from Monday to Sundays without skipping any particular day. Initially, when I will tell you guys that, oh, I want to upload every day, either I will skip Monday or I will skip Tuesday or I will skip this particular day. But I told myself that this particular time, I am not going to be skipping any day. I want to be uploading fully. And I uploaded from Monday to Sunday. And for just this one video, this is how much I've been able to make. This video alone, with just the remaining, just small thing like this, in fact, threshold has already been overmet for this particular month. I'm actually going to do a full review of how much I've been able to make for my consistency on this YouTube, which is for like a period of 30 days. And of which that is not going to come very soon. It is going to come next month, so that I can actually use the next month analysis for you. If you're trying in any way giving up on your YouTube channel, I advise you not to give up. I always tell you, look up to this girl and say, if this girl can do this, why can't I do this? I woke up with this morning with this particular good news. I saw someone sent a thanks message on my on my videos. It's actually on my shorts for that matter. That is to say, this person has been watching me and this person actually appreciate what I actually do, and I was so grateful. And when I calculated that particular amount that person sent, that thing should be over 27,000 naira or 30,000 naira in Nigerian currency, and I was like, God, I am so grateful. Just imagine I would have given up like 2 years, 3 years ago, and I would have said, oh, YouTube is frustrating, YouTube is not worth it, YouTube is not worth my time, let me just go and continue managing my 50,000 naira job, 60,000 naira job, 100,000 naira job, and at the end of the day, I am not going to be getting this in just a week. The most beautiful thing about YouTube is, even as this video has been able to give me $71 for this period of 1 week, this video will continue giving me revenue in as much as people are clicking. You can see that the revenue coming from this video is really, really high. Like, I am so amazed and I'm so grateful to God, because I know it is not by my strength, okay? And another thing that I want you to look into, apart from consistency, is what you are going to achieve at the end of the day. So if you, by any means, you are thinking that, oh, at the end of the day, you're not going to be achieving something good because of low views, no subscribers, and every other stuff, look at my story today and then be grateful. Today, before I upload this video, I am going to be hitting 20,000 subscribers. And guys, if I should sit in any point of my life telling myself that, oh, Sonia, you are going to be hitting 20,000 subscribers at this point of your life on YouTube, I will definitely not believe it. Yes, some persons might say you are 3 years on YouTube, it is worth it. Almost some persons hit their first 20,000 subscribers just within 2 months on YouTube. And those are some of the things I've been able to break down for you, and I want you guys to take your YouTube channel serious, because the mistake I have done in the past, I don't want you as my audience to actually do that mistake again. That is why I'm trying my possible best to bring how much YouTube pay me subsequently, to encourage you that is out there that YouTube is actually a platform that is worth doing what you know how to do best on. So yes, I am so happy. Wish me congratulations in the comment section, and wish me like double congratulations, okay, for 20,000 subscribers and for this particular amount that I've been able to make within a period of 1 week. And on that thing again, please, this person that actually dropped these super thanks, please do what to subscribe to his channel for me. Tell him that you're coming from Vibe with Sonia, and I really do appreciate that. I know that you guys are my fans, and I know that you guys are not going to fall my hand. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers, and I will be so grateful for that, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And for now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.